Everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your pal Pete on the old 2022 Pan America as we continue our journey up to Alaska. Today we're going through the great state of Utah. It's absolutely stunning. We're in this cool bowl of a valley, and as we head up towards the mountain range and head over to the Great Salt Lake and over to the Bonnevillle Salt Flats. This was a great ride, so sit back, enjoy some tunes. We'll As we're going through this valley, it was just stunning. The amount of scenery, the colors that you don't really expect in the desert really come through with the different rock formations, the years and years of erosion just make for some very spectacular views. The GoPro, of course, never captures these moments, but as you can tell, these mountains are very, very tall, and it's just so neat to go through these canyons. Just another spectacular view as you come around a corner. It's always something new with Utah. Welcome back to the freeway. A necessary evil on a trip of this magnitude, especially when you'll have so much time. But we passed through Salt Lake City and now you're looking at the Great Salt Lake. It's a big lake that is very salty. Just kidding. It is the Great Salt Lake. Here's the Salt Flats. This is the tree of Utah, made by some guy in the 80s. It is the weirdest thing you've ever seen in your life. And as you're driving through the Salt Flats, all over the place through here, people have put stuff in the sand all over I-80. So slow down and take a look. It's quite remarkable. But here we are looking at the home of speed. There's the old Pan America. And look at this. I'm heading out onto the flats. Alright, I am on the need for speed. Ha ha ha. Riding my motorcycle on salt. Alright. This big turn around here. Slippery as sand. So we crossed over to the border into Nevada, which was like 5 feet away, set up the tents for the night, and had a good evening just chilling out, eating some pizza, had a few beers. And as you can see, I am the world's fastest tent setter upper guy. So you definitely want to camp with me. Just kidding. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Click that like and subscribe button. Bye-bye.